In this video, I'll show you how you can see private account photos on Instagram. So let's start right away. This works for both iOS and Android devices. If you want to see someone's photos or videos but you don't follow them on their account, then you can't really do that. But there are a couple of tricks that we can do that will enable you to see the photos and videos. We won't be using all those scammy websites and applications. There isn't an app that can show you the private account photos or videos. Don't fall for those tricks or promises. I'll go on a profile which is private and I want to see the photos from this person. As you can see, this account is private and I don't follow them, so I can't really see the photos or videos. I have 3 different solutions. Now the first solution is just to request to follow them. In most cases they will accept your request and you will be able to follow them and see their photos. But I understand that you don't want to follow the person, or you had an argument and you unfollowed them. So that's where we will use the second step. You want to use another Instagram account to see their photos or videos. If you don't have a second Instagram account, then long press on this button here and then click on the Add Account button. And create a new account. And you want to go through the steps of creating a new Instagram account, and after you create one, simply follow the person whose account is private and you will be able to see their photos and videos. They will probably accept you, since you can use a different username and name for your account and all that kind of stuff. But there is a chance that they don't accept your follow request and you still won't be able to see their photos. So the third and best method that you can use is to ask a friend or family member who is already following them to show you their profile. They can go on the Instagram profile and screenshot the profile page or a specific photo or video that the person uploaded. Once they screenshot it, they can send it to you and then you will be able to see their private photos and videos even if you don't follow them. So that's it for this video, everyone. If this was helpful to you and you were able to see someone's private account on Instagram, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.